Hi, I'm just here checking out the brake issues on your Honda Pioneer 1000. So we have a fair amount of damage here. The back is probably in the best shape, but if you look at the pad material thickness, you can see that those pads are almost wore out. I would likely say that the one on the inside is wore out. The ones on this side are just about wore out. And if we go up to the front, that's where we start having bigger issues. So the pads on this caliper, and you can see I have the caliper removed, they've gone well past being worn out, and actually you now have damage to the piston on your caliper. You can see where the pad has moved a little bit since I took it off, but you can see the piston's been poking out through the backer of the pad, so it actually has damage as well. So likely we're going to need a new caliper here. The brake discs are damaged. That's the same for the other side. I'll show you that in a minute. And that's due to the metal backers and everything running on the brake disc, and they've been worn, not just grooved, but they've been worn thin. Fair amount of material has been torn off them. So this one here, I don't have it removed. Once again, you can see that the metal backer riding right directly against the brake disc and that's the same on the inside and the outside. So anyway, I'm going to do up some pricing for you so you know how much brake discs and calipers and pads are going to cost, and I'll send along an estimate to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and talk soon.